up to?
Just prepping for popcorn chicken. Or popcorn cauliflower, but it's supposed to be the parody of popcorn chicken.
Does it taste like popcorn chicken?
Yes. Well, I don't. It tastes like it. It tastes good, but I've been 3 years vegetarian. I don't exactly remember the taste of popcorn chicken, but it tastes really good. Almost done. This would be the 6th and final head of cauliflower that we are using in today's recipe. Now that the cauliflower is prepped, that's the last of it, we're going to add some olive oil. Just a little bit. I don't know. Make sure you drizzle around like that. Time to spice it up. First, I'll add some salt. Make sure it goes everywhere.
Is that even coming out?
It's coming out! Ah, mama.
Okay, I just couldn't feel for how much you're putting in. Okay. That's probably good.
This will give it a little bit of spice and flavor. Oh, that side's gonna be spicy.
That's probably good.
Now, cumin. Seasoning it up.
Let me see the cumin. Let me see it. Ah. I don't know, you're getting it everywhere.
Smells like tacos. Cumin has that smell, I guess.
Alright.
Time for some nutritional yeast. High in vitamin B12, 500%. How can it be 500% if 100% of it is like all of it? You can't have more than 100%.
One of those questions you seek the answer to. You probably want to put, yeah, that's probably good.
Time to mix.
Time to mix. Are your hands clean? No, this is not.
Since my hands are clean, time to mix. That's good. Now my hands are clean, time to mix.
No, you have to scoop it down and under. Do you want me to show you?
I gotta mix it. Now you can show me. No, I can't let you. I know what you mean. Like this. You spill everywhere.
Careful.
Looks so good.
We forgot the garlic, so we just added 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, and it is super yummy. Super yummy now. We tried it and we were like, oh, what are we forgetting? Oh yeah, the garlic. So we're gonna eat some like this in a salad, and we're gonna dehydrate the rest. About 5 o'clock the next day. Ideally, you want it to dehydrate for about 2 days. It gets really crispy like popcorn chicken. But as you can see, we had 2 full trays, and it is only 1 day later, and there is such a minuscule amount left. That is how delicious this recipe is. I am headed to the store to go get some more cauliflower so that way we can make some more. It's very filling, super delicious. Can't believe that's all we have left. This is not going to make it 2 days. Definitely try this one out.